Video.
What's good, YouTube? We back with another video. We got Admiral 2 known.
Nixie. X2 Nixie.
And we got Clown Pierce in the cut with it. We are going to be playing.
Some Evil Tower.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's click. Yeah, let's get into it.
Alright.
I need to find it.
Obviously, Nixie.
Get it again.
Little did you know, I actually cracked it.
Don't start yet.
Alright, I'm not.
Using it like that. You see right there.
I'm just kidding.
What up? It was started before.
Oh, how? I did not touch that.
OG using it.
How did I not make that? I did not know that I need a sprint. That looked like a baby jump.
Y'all start without me? Nah, I'm on here. They are tripping. Stay trip. Whoa, APS. I got 43. APS. Oh, there we go. 41. That's better. No. I'm in first place right now, guys.
Not for long. You're cooked once you fall.
Jacob, you're in third. I mean, you're in second.
Oh, no, video, I know. Advice.
Wow, did I? Bro, I hate this. Bro.
It isn't fair. I'm on the third level.
You're on the second, blood.
No. Look.
Wait, what?
I was on the third. No, he's on the second, yeah.
Deep parkour.
The peak, did he? Didn't leave.
I'm in the yellow zone now. Gotta be extra precautious.
Alright, so look, chat. Got a lot of ops. Alright, that's Alright, come on. Please, finally, I finished the first part. Finally.
No!
Yep.
Whoa. No, Jacob, you fucking.
And he doomed himself. How did I not jump?
The S-Ace.
No! What? Bro,
Yes.
I freaking hate this, bro.
Yes! It was like we're all at the bottom now.
Oh, I fell.
Bro, how, bro? There's only 2 other people in here. I should be acing like I was yesterday to practice this.
Yeah, by the way, we all practice.
Bro, how did I touch it? I didn't touch the thing.
Too loud.
Bro, I'm not hitting that. How? Bro, chat, this is my downfall.
It looks like Nixie.
Bro, shut the fuck up with your narrating, bro. You do not care about your narrating.
I got to the end of the vid.
It is not the end of the video.
Oh, it's the end of this vid.
Yeah, fucking monkeys.
Bro, shut up, bro. What are you saying? Bro, Jacob, why would you, bro? What are you on?
Fuck you over here.
On crack. He's on that.
Shit.
Why does that smell like
He's
that?
on my sugar LD. He's on my sugar.
I'm on that sugar LD.
No, shut the fuck up.
Oh, you are not sugar LD dot. Look at you, you're like 3 feet tall.
I swear, I'm gonna leave this. If I fall down.
If I fall one more time, we're switching games.
I'm gonna crash out.
If I fall one more time, we're kicking Jacob from the clan. 3, 2, 1.
Well, but he fell.
Hold on. The fate of Jacob's fate is in my hands right now.
That was literally on accident. I did not even mean to press that, but it worked.
I fall right here. Oh my god, thank you, Jesus. Come on.
My agent's
20 more seconds left. 1, 2. There we go. Big jump. And we got 1 racer. He got rage already. Oh my, bro, alright, yup, that's what it is.
Wait, does that mean I'm not in the...
That's what it is.
I'm not in the clan anymore?
Oh, I'm kidding, bro. You're still in the clan. Alright, we left.
Nah, we should play. We should play what's called lava.
Murder mystery. Guys,
Alright.
Mystery?
Alright, I guess we're playing right
let's do I'll create one.
Pacific one.
No. Huh?
Lobby 6. Don't go.
No, don't join Lobby 6. There's maybe too many players. Join this.
Oh, wait,
Join this code.
Aiden, make a private one.
Look at this code. He expects us to type all this shit in.
How was you gonna join this?
Make a private.
Okay. Oh yeah, I have a private server. X2 murder.
X.
Alright. Where's murder?
So is that worlds? We go
Yeah.
X2 murder.
Yeah.
What's goody, gang?
You're not ever saying
We back in another bit. Not that.
So what's it?
Back in another bit.
X2 murder. As you know, we are the X2 clan.
X2 F4 for life.
You've been the X2. We've been the X2 since we were like 5 years old.
Yeah, we've been doing X2 since, and then the X2 twins come up and steal our shit.
Wow, but they like fell off.
Yeah,
How do you spell murder?
You don't know how to spell murder, but you know how to spell food. Big back.
Bro,
Bro, he's a big back. He's a
this
big
is
back.
fucking Nick. You don't know how to spell murder.
Bro,
I'm kidding.
this dude don't know how to spell murder, but he knows how to spell food. Certified big back.
And you know how to spell food and murder.
Exactly, so you can't say nothing.
Yeah, you eat fucking bro, fat ass bitch.
Hey, join
I
it.
eat
8 seconds
murders,
left. It's
yeah.
7, 6.
Bro,
Understand?
what the fuck you think?
I just said X2 murder.
Oh
I'm gonna puncture my thumb into your neck. Oh, I just killed Nixie and this thing ended. So y'all get half a POV from Nixie. He's crying.
Oh, Nixie's crying, guys. Nixie's crying. Ryan, quit your bitch ass and stop crying.
Oh, bitch.
Oh! Me angry.
Alright, Pierce, stop.
Where you bitch?
Alright, where you at though? I know what you are, you stupid criminal.
Yeah, did you know?
Because I'm the sheriff.
Oh!
I don't know how that missed, but it did, so we're gonna have to run that snipe back. What are you camping at for? You can't hit for shit. Nixie, you are the worst player I've ever seen.
Nixie? I'm Nixie.
Oh, my fault. Yes, I forgot who I was playing against. Oh my god, wait, you actually might catch up.
I'll
I'm
fuck
gonna
your
catch
ass.
up. I'm gonna catch
I'm
up.
fucking your butthole.
You're fucking my butthole, bro. What?
Yeah.
No, what? I clicked the wrong button.
Hey, everybody,
Are you
everybody, if
kidding
they
me,
post
bro?
this on YouTube.
Oh no.
No, let dogs to the
Shut up, bro. Alright, chill out.
Let dogs to the
Ow, bro, stop.
I'll find those.
You want another one, bitch?
He does. He's gone. He's not there.
Alright.
We live.
Alright,
We
well,
live in
since the video's
Ohio
about
State.
to-
We live in Ohio State.
Alright.
Address is 95.
Alright, well, since the video's about to end soon, let me show y'all what I've been working
Alpine
on.
Wells, bro.
Yeah, guys.
No, fire. Alright.
Alpine Wells, bro. House, the white one. Come find me.
Okay, bro.
Yeah,
Alright.
Please don't
Just
fucking
a
me
little
off.
something. I'm not gonna add.
They don't want me off, please.
Alright, bro. Alright, bro.
I'm taking
Alright,
that.
chill, bro. You're gonna get this doxed. Bro, you're gonna get the cops.
What's wrong with your ancestors? I'm gonna do this exact thing to your ancestors.
Okay, bro. Chill. Shut up, bro. You're gonna get dogs because of you. Well,
She did you want doing? Do to your ancestors.
okay. That's
And what's
Yeah, y'all, your viewers are in the middle.
one?
But hold on to
Yo,
it.
so we are in blocks.io. As you can see, my probably channel probably might be dedicated on this and Fortnite and some Pokemon. If you guys know what that is, but you're probably brain dead. It's like, see that shit, so. get into
Alright.
this.
And then
We are gonna be.
that's pretty much it. And then over here, I think I'm gonna make a bumper cards.
Wait, you upgraded it even more?
What I make.
It's that's just a little something. Alright.
So I help.
Right about here. I don't think there's anything else, but I guess we'll see you on the next one.